Hey guys, I got this battery powered ultrasonic rodent repeller to put into my attic. I noticed I was getting some squirrels and stuff up there. But for this video, I just want to do a quick unboxing for you and show you what it comes with. You see it has just kind of the peel off tab there. So I got the 2-pack. You can see they each come in their own little plastic sleeve wrapped individually. Quick look around it. There are instructions on the back. Over here, have your on-off switch and a test switch. And then in the box, it also comes with a few zip ties you can use to mount them somewhere if you want. So it kind of has these holes here too that you can use for mounting. And let's see if there's anything else. And then, of course, just your operating instructions, your precautions, and those types of things. And that's it, guys. I'll do another video after I actually get it put somewhere and try it out.